Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna unbox a SMPS, which is Artis VIP 400R Plus. It is a 400 watts power supply. And it is the first unboxing video in my channel, so hit that like button for more unboxing video. So let's start the video. First, let's open up the box. So it costed me 800 rupees and I bought it from Amazon, links in the description. Here is the first look of the box. Let's see what we get in the box. So we have a power cord. And the SMPS itself and nothing else. By removing the outer cover of the SMPS, we can see some wires, which is an ATX 24-pin cable, 4 SATA cable and 1 motherboard power supply. So let's connect the power cord to the SMPS and connect to the power supply and check whether it will work or not. So first we need to take a small piece of wire and connect it to the green and any black wire in the ATX 24-pin cable. So fan inside the SMPS is running, that means it's working. Let's put the SMPS into the CPU cabinet. This is the old SMPS of the CPU, which is not working. And this is way more big. I expected it would be small. But still all SMPS are same because all have the common connection. So it would not fit inside. I'll put the wires inside the CPU and the SMPS outside. Connecting the wires are so simple, it's like joining Legos. So the connections have been completed, let's power it up. There we can see that the orange and the green light is glowing, that means the CPU is running. So I could have bought the old one, but it would have cost me 5,000. Very costly for a SMPS for its compact size. So nothing is better than something, so I bought this. So that's it for today, friends. See you guys in another video. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.